Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Alright guys, good morning. Just wanted to pop in here. This is a takeover from last night with the automated trading on NQ. Just doing forward testing. I am in sim mode here. I'm just picking up, playing with it a little bit. I finished my live session with our paid members, and I figured I'd go ahead and just kind of pop in here, play with this a little bit. I'm done trading for the day.
Stop filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
Overall, bearish here with Ichimoku. Needs to close below the Tinkinson here. That's the dynamic support and resistance. Of course, it's in the cloud right there. We're at short target 1. So we're at a support area.
Stop filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
Wedging in here. This should be a significant move.
Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
All these up here.
Stop. Stop. Stop filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
We're below the zero line here. This could break either way.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Need to be fast because we're coming up on that VWAP. Need to lock all those in. Make it tap and
Order
drop
canceled.
fast.
Order canceled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
Guys, everything we're doing this morning is for educational purposes only. I'm just in sim mode here. Just wanted to pop in this morning and show you some of the system. I'm going to turn some of these lines off. I got too many lines on my chart. I got my Ichimoku on. I don't need all that on this chart. So my chart's a little cluttered here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
This is our lower B4 indicator right here. We still got room to the downside. This indicator here is showing potential for a TK cross coming up, which would be movement to the
Order
upside. Conflicting information. Ultimately, that order flow tells the story. You can't argue with the orders coming in. That's for sure. It's one of the good things about order flow. It gets me in a lot of trades I never would have been able to get into.
Stub filled. Stub filled.
Coming into a squeeze here. At the lower side of the B4 indicator. You may squeeze on down to here or here. Looks like it's wanting to go bullish.
Order filled. Stop filled.
That's where your strength is and the
Stop
bears,
filled.
and if it takes
Order
that, it'll take it out, and it did.
Order filled.
That's why I was zooming in here. I wanted to look at that.
Stop filled. Stop filled. Order canceled. Order filled.
This TK Cross looks weak. This looks weak here with the Kumo twist. And it may just be choppy up in here for a little while. Looking at the Chicao Trail, it looks like a room to the downside. And this TK Cross may be failing.
Order submitted.
Definitely not getting any strong trending moves. That's why it's kind of chopping me up a little bit here. Came down to support here.
Order
Let's
filled.
see if it's gonna break it, and it did. Better. So that is going to stay bearish there. I don't think that TK Cross is going to happen. We're at support now. Let's see how that works out. Building a lot of volume right there. A lot of people have their eye on that. That's one of our brackets right there. Again, guys, none of this is trading advice. This is just kind of an overview of our system.
Stop filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
We're at one of our targets. Notice how volume's building. Looks like it may have broke that target. Still a lot of buying interest in it.
Stop filled.
Kiss dots are firing. As far as timing wise, it's time to start pulling back. As far as we are here, we still got a little bit of room on the lower B4 for some downside movement. It's squeezing. We're at well, no, we're right at the bottom, negative 3.8. We usually go down to negative 3. Usually is our low on our lower B4 indicator, looking at the trend line right there. It's free, guys. Go to b4indicators.com and pick that up.
Order filled.
I'm going to be a little bit cautious here. I'm going to go ahead and possibly mitigate some of that. We're at support on the lower end of this. We are getting some bearish divergence, so it can push some more. But just from my experience, I'll go ahead and mitigate that. Turn off the short. Even if it goes down some more, I don't really want any more of the short. Looking at the Ichimoku Shoyu forecast, we might pull up, pull back a little bit, and then continue to the downside is what I'm looking at. I'm looking for a downside continuation, but we're so extended right now, and at support. I didn't want the system to get me in. So I turned off our shorts. That would have got me in right there.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Break even button here on the CoPilot Pro. This chart trader section up here is our order management section. You've seen me place resting orders on the chart with it. We're looking for some bearish continuation here. To the downside, I usually don't re-enter to the last kiss dot for the re-entry. There's a whole methodology we have with these kiss dots.
Stop filled.
Beautiful execution of it this morning.
Stop filled.
Lower B4 indicator, we're down to negative 2.4. It could be a little choppy right here. You got basically a D.
Order filled. Stop filled.
In context of Ichimoku, we're still bearish. but we have not touched the Tinkinson yet. These KISS dots give us timing for us to come in and touch this Tinkinson. We have not done that yet.
Order submitted.
We have room here on the lower B4 indicator for that. Of course, here we have plenty of room overhead there for that to happen.
Order canceled.
Yeah.
Order filled. Order canceled.
I'm going to turn all those orders off. The reason I shut those orders down is because they'll stop my order flow from firing, and I want to take the order flow signals. Even though they go against my bias, I'll still take those order flow signals and mitigate risk.
Order filled.
Okay, and it came up close to the zero, a little over the zero line. Possible continuation to the downside. Let's see how that's going to work out. I'm going to go ahead and guard this here. Let's see how it's going to work out. Okay. Not quite enough room to get a break even in there. All right. Not a support right
Stop
here.
filled. Stop filled.
Wrong. We're still bearish at Shimoku wise.
Order filled.
Like I said, we have not touched the Tinkinson yet. On that pullback. I'm going to break that even. Makes it easier for me to walk it. All right, there's our kiss. Right up in here. The reason why I call those kiss dots, it's an Ichimoku strategy not many people know about. Sorry guys, I'm eating my breakfast.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Breakfast of Champions. Cracklins. I'm here in South Louisiana. So I can do that. The reason I call them KISS dots is I was trying to, we have our show you lines here, our future projected Ichimoku lines, and we have these, we have these KISS dots that tell us, hey, it's time to go back and kiss to Tinkinson and kiss to Keatonson. I was showing a friend that the other day. Not only did we have an idea of where it's going to pull back at, we have a time and a target.
Stop filled.
And I'm not one to argue with the order flow. I have two main order flow signals that I love.
Stop filled.
And this chart is frozen up. I'll just let it sit there and settle.
Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
Hey guys, that's going to be it for me this morning. Just want to show you my trading system here. Be sure to check us out at b4signals.com, guys. Hey, if nothing else, go to b4indicators.com and pick up our free B4 indicator.